Hi everyone, welcome back to Pigtree. Today I'm going to be showing you some adult sticker books. It's kind of like paint by numbers but without so much of the mess, and I may have got a little bit carried away and bought every single book I could find. So let's see if they're any good. Okay, so I've got these books to choose from. And I'll be honest, this one I've already completed. As you can see, completely empty. So I think I'm gonna go with this one. Seems quite fun. You can buy them online, but as the price sticker suggests, it's from Hobbycraft and they're only £3 each, so I think they're a bargain. What I have learnt from doing previous ones is because there is a spine, the stickers can sort of start coming off down the middle. So what I suggest is basically ripping it apart as soon as you can. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. So these pages where you put the stickers are actually perforated, so they do come off, but the sticker sheets themselves aren't, which is a bit of an annoyance. So you do have to rip them off entirely from the spine. What I do like is that all of them have the little pictures for the animal that you're going to be making. So this is the horse, and it looks like only this page is the horse, so I'm just going to peel off this page carefully and put the others to one side, and then we can get stuck in with this one. I have found that using some tweezers is a lifesaver. It just stops them sticking to your fingers and it makes it easier to position. So there's a few different ways that I've gone about this. I have sort of started from one end of the picture and worked up to the other end and just found the stickers on the page. Or you can go through the sticker page and find where they are on the picture. I'm sure there's other ways. I kind of like starting from one end of the picture and working to the other, sort of starting with what I think would be more in the background and working to the foreground. Some of the stickers do overlap a bit, so I think that helps with that. And if I can get close to the camera here, you'll see that each one of these sections has a letter and a number. So D10, and then you go to your sticker sheet, find section D, and then somewhere on here it will be D10, and you can just pick that one up with your tweezers and plonk it down here. I find it quite easy to sort of find the correlating one. The numbers are pretty clear on the stickers. They're clearer on some colours than others. So let's get stuck in. So I'll show you the first few stickers. I'm going to start down here, and that's B13. So go to section B, look for number 13, which is here. And because I've separated all these pages, it makes it sort of easier to peel off these stickers with my tweezers. And then I will just try to line it up as best I can. So it's sort of like colouring in the lines if you do a paint by numbers, but the stickers should fit in the sections. Just going to go in a time lapse here so you can see me do the full picture. There was a few that sort of caught a little bit and took me a bit of time to get off the sticker sheet. There's a few that aren't quite the same shape as the area that they're meant to go in, so you have to sort of try and get the best angle for those. Some of them overlap. And like I said at the beginning, if you work from one end of the picture to the other, that seems to be less of an issue. So I quite like these sticker sheets. It's kind of a mindless activity. You can put some YouTube on in the background, or maybe an audiobook or something like that. Originally I only brought one of these books, but I found them really fun, so I had to just go buy them all. But again, if you do find out if there's any more for me to buy, then please let me know in the comments. I do like that they're basically mess free. You can put them away when you're halfway done and just sort of shove them in a drawer. It's way less mess than a paint by numbers or something like that, so I just like that you can sort of pick it up and pop it down whenever you want. I find these really relaxing, and like I said, you can sort of just zone out and do them. So I find they're great for sort of self-care, or just if you had a tough day and you want to take your mind off things. This might seem sort of slower pace, or I guess a little bit easier or less effort than my usual videos, but that's because sometimes you just want to pick up something and not have to deal with fuss or skill level or things like that, and just have something easy and sort of relaxing to do. And this is it, all finished. I think it looks pretty good. I tried to get through this one a little quicker than I probably averaged them, but it took just over an hour, so probably okay as a lunchtime activity. There are a few bits that I probably could have lined up a little bit better, and this little bit here isn't sticking very well, but that's probably on me as well. Here you can see that this is bent so it catches the light, and also this white bit isn't a sticker at all. I assume just to save on the number of colours of stickers they have to give you. Each book I think comes with 6 animals on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would say you get at least 6 hours. I probably more likely spend 2 hours on all of them just so I can get them filled in better. So about 12 hours, and for £3 I don't think that's too bad. There are 4 books in the series. I've already completed one of them, 2 of them in fact, which is the Animals and Mythical Creatures one. And as you saw from my intro, there is also these Neon Animals, which is the one I did today, and there's art masterpieces. So I think there's only 4. I also have only managed to find this brand of adult sticker book. So if you do find any more varieties of this one or a different brand, please let me know in the comments.